Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to understand about API composition pattern. Now, when you order a food from a delivery app, there you can see your restaurant menu, delivery time, payment options and a lot of things, and that too all in one screen. Now let's understand how this works behind the scenes. That information is coming from different places, but it feels like it's all in one place. That's exactly what the API composition pattern does in software. The API composition pattern is a way to combine data from multiple microservices into a single unified API response. Instead of making your client call three different services and stitch the data together, you have a middle layer, the composer, that does the work for you and sends back the composed data. Imagine you are using a food delivery app. The menu service provides the dishes, the delivery service estimates arrival time, the payment service lists payments methods, and so on. Now, the API composer acts like the waiter. They go to each section of the restaurant and gather everything you need and bring it to your table in one go. Now, how it's implemented? In practice, you might have an API gateway or a dedicated composition service that calls multiple microservices, aggregate their response into a single payload, handles error gracefully. Say, for example, if the payment service is slow, you can still return menu and delivery data. Technologies like GraphQL, BFF, like backend for frontend, or custom orchestration code can be used to implement API composition. Now, let's understand why use API composition. It helps with better performance, like fewer round trips for the client. Simpler client, they don't need to know about all the backend services. Flexibility, you can combine and format data exactly how client needs it. Let's understand one common mistake that eventually by time unknowingly occurs. The common mistake is making the composer too heavy, pulling massive amounts of data from every service even if it's not needed. Remember, only collect what's relevant to the request or you will slow things down. So next time you need to pull data from multiple services, think like a waiter who brings everything to your table in one trip. That's the API composition pattern. That's it for this video. We'll meet again in next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.